Welcome back. It is now time for Your Money. Mortgage and housing assistance may be available to you during this coronavirus national emergency. It's important to understand what the federal government has in place to help you out. So here to share what those programs are is U of I Extension educator Kathy Sweedler. Hey, Kathy, how you doing?
Good morning. I'm good. How are you?
Good. Thanks for joining us again this morning. So we want to talk about how the federal government is helping homeowners on mortgage payments in particular first.
That's right. So in these times of financial uncertainty, people might be having troubles making their mortgage payments. It's always important to reach out to your lender and find out what options are available to you. If you have a mortgage that is sponsored by the federal government or a government-sponsored enterprise, like a VA, a USDA, a FHA loan, then you may be able to ask for a forbearance. And a forbearance, you'd have up to 180 days where your mortgage would be paused. Now, this doesn't mean that you're not going to have to pay those payments ever. You will, but you will see no penalties, no additional interest beyond what you would normally having. But it gives you that relief when you're not employed or you don't have your normal paycheck. You also can then, if 180 days doesn't do it, it's not enough time, you can request an extension. So I think these are really important things to know about if you're having troubles with your mortgage.
And let's talk about the CARES Act as well.
Yeah, so this is all protected under the CARES Act. So that came out several weeks ago and has really provided several different opportunities for people to help manage their finances in these uncertain times. And so, if you want to learn more about this, you can go to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's website to do that. Now, even if your mortgage, yes, there's a great picture of it. Even if your mortgage isn't covered under the CARES Act, you should still contact your lender.
And why is that? You might still be able to get some help?
That's right. So most of the lenders are they're being encouraged to help people. It's hard, I know, when you can't make your payments to contact somebody, but it's really important to talk to them and see what options their financial institution is offering that could help you out.
Of course. So we talked about people who own homes, but there are still renters out there as well who are having problems. What do you do if you're a renter and you're having trouble paying your rent?
So be aware that renters have protections both by federal and state law right now, especially in terms of whether or not somebody can be evicted. But the variables are there's a lot of different variables go into play depending on what your protection might be. The Land of Lincoln Legal Aid website has really good information right now about housing protections. So that's a great resource in our community to reach out to find out what your particular situation would be. So you definitely want to contact your landlord, talk to them, make sure that, see if there's some system that you can work out with them so that you're both communicating and knowing what's going on. In some counties, like Champaign County, there is rental assistance available too. So wherever you are in Illinois, you can always call 211 and ask about what type of rental assistance is available in my local area. And that could be of assistance to you also.
Oh, wow. That is a good resource. So
yes.
Overall, Kathy, what's the main takeaway here?
The main takeaway is, even though it's just so overwhelming when you can't make your payments, take your energy, think about what can you afford to do honestly. Don't overpromise anything. And then contact your either your mortgage lender or your landlord and talk through the options. You might be surprised at what good things are available right now. And even if you tried right at the very beginning when all this uncertainty started, try again. New things are coming into place and there may be some help out there for you.
And of course, the U of I Extension is always a good resource in case people have any other questions or need help or need a money mentor. How can they get in touch with you?
So wonderful. Yes, we're out here working, ready to help. We have lots of mentor volunteers who are willing to work with people on a one-to-one situation, help meet their financial goals. So you can give us a call at 333-7672, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction for the resources you need.
Kathy, thank you so much for joining us again this morning. Twice in 1 week. I'm a lucky girl.
Nice to talk to you.
We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.